And Lark A1 mic while we're filming. Bear with me. This is an actual test. Ayan. So, ito naman siya with the noise cancellation. Hello, Gun Pals! So, dumating na pala yung padala sa atin, yung in-sponsor sa atin ni Holy Land na Lark A1 mic. Ayan. So, it's a compact mic. Ayan, super liit lang niya, guys. At saka, dalawa siya, so you can use it to interview someone or for a podcast, ganun. Tapos, meron siyang dalawang attachment. Merong USB Type-C, ayan. And merong lightning cable, ayan, sa mga lumang version ng mga iPhones, ayan. Then, it has two mics, ayan. So, magnetic siya. Ayan. No need to clip on, it attaches. Ayan, mamaya i-demo ko siya. So, it comes with dalawang mic, tapos isang receiver. Ayan. Tapos, ito pala yung yung windproof na attachment. Ayan. Sirain na natin. Kasi magagamit naman na natin to. So, let's see. Ayan. Then, i-demo natin siya. Pag, ito gamit ko yung microphone ng aking phone. Then, ayan. Ganyan siya, guys. It's like this. So, let's try it. Ayan, guys. So, with this, in-on natin yung fan. Ayan. So, maririnig nyo sa background na naka-on yung fan. So, ikakabit natin tong Holy Land Lark A1 mic while we're filming. Bear with me. This is an actual test. Ayan. So, ito naman siya with the noise cancellation. So, as you can see, hindi nyo na marinig yung fan. Ang galing-galing. Grabe. Galing talaga nitong Holy Land Lark A1. I want to thank Holy Land and si Miss Queenie ng Holy Land for sending me these items. Ayan.